Hi friends, welcome to Learn and Grow English Grammar Quiz. Conjunctions.
Rules of this quiz: 15 questions, 3 options. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word and share your scores in comments. I wanted to buy a smartphone, Cap did not have enough money. I wanted to buy a smartphone but did not have enough money. I slept late at night, Gap, I woke up late. I slept late at night, so I woke up late. The child is crying, Gap, he is hurt. The child is crying because he is hurt. Gap, it is raining. It is better to stay indoors. Since it is raining, it is better to stay indoors. Sam was on his way to the office. Gap, his car broke down. Sam was on his way to the office when his car broke down. Gap, my parents boarded the train. I left for home from the stadium. As soon as my parents boarded the train, I left for home from the stadium. John was lazy. Gap, he did not finish his homework. John was lazy, so he did not finish his homework. Gap, it was cloudy. I took an umbrella with me. Since it was cloudy, I took an umbrella with me. Do you want to sit in a chair, Gap, on the sofa? Do you want to sit in a chair or on the sofa? We opened the windows. Gap, it was warm. We opened the windows because it was warm. I will finish my homework, Gap, then I can play video games. Finish my homework and then I can play video games. You should not talk, Gap, chewing your food. You should not talk while chewing your food. Gap, Devin heard the news. He rushed out of the house. As soon as Devin heard the news, he rushed out of the house. She has been upset. Gap, morning. She has been upset since morning. You may read this book, Gap, waiting for your turn. You may read this book while waiting for your turn. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.